Okay, so this machine is really sensitive about its timing. I think every machine would be. So how to check whether it's all working fine is I'll just put my finger up here, this point. Actually this gear, it pops out if you leave it, so you have to keep holding it. And in some machines even this gear will also come out of this slot, so you may have to keep holding both of these. But in this machine, this one I have never seen coming out, so I'll just hold it from here so that you guys can also see what's happening. And while doing it, if you keep an eye here and on this needle, you will get a fair bit of idea of what's happening. Hope you can see it. So I'm turning it, and you can see it's not a very good shot. Alright, so maybe now you can see it. So see the needle goes in, and it's all the way down, and see at this point it has just started coming up, and at that point this pointed nose is ready to go through the loop which the needle would make when there's a thread and shuttle in there. See, that's what you want. But at the same time you have to keep an eye on these teeth, that when this needle is it has just come out of this plate, making clear the cloth to push backwards. At that point these teeth should emerge through the plate, and it will go up, making its own cycle, and go down. So that's what you have to do actually.